whether it's a retail industry, whatever.
There are 5 other callers on the call.
In iron and steel industry, in chemical it will be different. In retail it will be different.
It's same.
So now my question is, what kind of an example at what end you want?
Okay.
We just started from the receivables and the payable side, where I'm trying to show you raising a vendor invoice, making a payment, doing a down payment. From the customer side also, raising a customer invoice, receiving a customer payment, receiving a down payment from the customer and adjusting that. Now you tell me, what are the scenarios still we need to have on this?
Okay. My question was from when you are raising an invoice, from which route, we need to know the route of it. What is the purchase order and what are the quotations, what they agreed for, what is the request, and do you have the material available? I'm talking about MM to FI.
That job we don't do, na? Do we do MM job as a finance consultant?
But if you are raising an invoice, you need to know what is the quotation, what is the payment terms, what
No. For example, let me show you one scenario, what you're talking about. Procurement to pay. Even though we are not there, still there, I'm trying to explain you. Now watch this. I expect everyone to get involved in this. Okay, Ali.
Yeah.
Ravi.
See, I was confused about this.
No, now you tell me over here. No, that's fine. You should come up with questions. It's good. Don't keep it in your mind. Once you come up, only you get a clarity. Okay. So you have a inquiry. Who does this? Finance guy?
No.
Quotations.
From
Receive quotations.
person,
Who receives?
right?
Yeah. Who receives the quotations?
The HR?
No.
No,
the store.
the store.
Right? Store.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
So based on the whichever quotation they find best, who raised the PO?
Vendor PO, right?
PO. Who raises the PO? Finance guy?
No.
The material.
Stores only, man. They'll raise the PO, right? Purchase order. Or you have a separate organization. Maybe if they don't call it the stores, they'll call it the purchase organization. Or an MM. Right? Inquiry, finance guy doesn't raise it. Quotation, a finance guy doesn't do it. Purchasing also, a finance guy will not do, right? Whoever is purchasing, he'll raise the PO, right?
Right.
Now, goods received. Who receives the goods? Finance guy?
No, store.
No, the store.
Warehouse.
Who does this invoicing?
Finance guy.
Sure?
Finance.
No,
Yeah.
I think MM does invoicing, but it will still link to finance there.
Okay, fine.
There's
do a
payment
GR,
involved there.
Then you do a payment.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, this invoicing till here, everything will be taken care by the MM guy in our SAP till here.
Okay.
The only part, a role a finance guy plays is over here.
So, we don't have to know anything about those. If somebody questions me, like, why did you?
Nobody will question you on this. Okay, what they might question you is,
right? We are doing the controlling part too, right? Cost cutting and all. So, won't this come under picture? Like, if the MM guy is ordering too much, which is not required, and we have to control it, right? It doesn't come into the picture.
No. You're going into a different. Now you're getting into costing. We are talking into finance. You're getting into costing. Where is the question of costing here now?
Yeah, because
this is procurement. This is procurement. How does the procurement come? Still, if you want to get into further into that, based on the production. PP. What does the PP does? He'll run an MRP run. material requirement planning.
Okay.
Based on the MRP, based on this MRP, a PO is raised, right? Or an inquiry is raised, or a quotation is raised, right?
Raised, yeah.
Correct.
Then who will do this PP job? Finance guy? Who raised this?
No. PP
No,
guy.
So
the production guy.
you need to limit yourself here. You have to limit yourself to your particular job here. Getting my
Okay.
point?
Mhm.
You cannot learn all the modules. Okay, it's a huge.
But we should not. But we should know the scope of the module where our finance will be extended to MM. Up to what part?
Now for example, good question. Now what's this? Now you tell me, does it affect my journal entry here? Swapna?
There.
No.
Here,
No.
quotation, purchase order,
No. Invoice.
GR?
GR is goods receipt. Yeah.
It will affect, right? So
Yes.
when I am receiving my goods, I am receiving whatever material it might be, raw material, whatever material you call. Raw material to GRIR.
Yes.
This GRIR is nothing but goods receipt, invoice receipt. This is an
Invoice
intermediary account. Then I do the invoicing. Once I do the invoicing, this GRIR gets debit to vendor.
When? Okay.
So this GRIR debit, this GRIR credit and debit gets nullified. Ultimately, raw material to vendor, right?
Right.
Then you do the
So,
payment. Huh?
Then where does the if the MM guy is giving the discount, say suppose, then they were when they are raising the invoice or the goods receipt, that's when they get to know, or
We don't do all this. What you're talking over here, this one, right? Based on the PO, there's a number. Based on that number, a GR is done. Based on that PO, again you do the invoicing. Based on the PO you do, right? Or based on the
Yeah.
GR, whatever it might be. Okay, depending on the requirement.
we are not going to control the discounts or anything like that.
No, no.
this
Discounts.
scenario.
Now there will be different discounts. Now you've gone into another topic again. Now the discounts, one related to the material discount, rebate, am I right?
Yes.
So many discounts. This MM guy will take care. Now from the finance perspective, the discounts which are related to the payment perspective, if you pay in so and so days, you will get what we are looking into, right?
Yes.
That is we look into this,
Mm-hmm.
right? But ultimately we look into what is hitting. Even though I'm not doing my GRIR, but I need to know what is my GL that are hitting, right?
Right.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
But in order to get to GR, I need to do all the MM settings over here,
Okay.
right? But once you get into implementation, you will not be doing all these MM settings.
Okay.
Okay, now this is an MM configuration. This is what I was supposed to take you after we complete close to the finance. Then I do this integration part of these two scenarios.
Okay. P2P and OT.
Yeah.
What
So
is
that is a
OT?
long way to go actually. I just started with an AR and AP at a stage where I'm doing AP without MM. There is no MM involved. I'm doing AR where no SD is involved.
Okay.
Okay, for example, somebody says, I will purchase the SAP software, but I will not use MM and SD functionality. I don't need also because it is just a retail industry. I buy and sell. That's it. Getting my point? Still you can go with that without using those. So he'll save his cost.
Okay.
Getting this, Ravi, Ali,
Yeah, it is clear.
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah,
I am
what I
using AR and AP over here where I don't need SD and MM.
Okay.
For example, I'm creating a purchase. There is no PO, there is no GR, there is no invoicing. This part is itself is not there, right?
Right.
Till now we have not seen this part. What did we see? I'm directly purchasing it. I'm making a payment.
And making a payment.
Purchasing it, making a
Making
payment.
a
So I don't need this MM. I'm saying till now.
But hey, Kadir, just don't mind. I have so many questions are
No,
arising in my
keep
mind
coming, keep coming, keep coming.
while I'm doing this. So
No,
that's
you
why-
need to hold yourself with regard to that what you want to learn because this is just a start what we are into it. Okay. Otherwise, what we can do is we can configure the entire lot, then we will run the scenarios. What I'm doing is I'm doing in a part wise.
Okay.
You're getting my point. Otherwise, there is no testing required. We'll do the entire configuration like a project. How we do it? I'll do the entire configuration, then I'll do the testing. So what will happen? You will be confused. Like, what is the setting I've done for which I'm getting the output? Not clear?
Right. Okay.
Is my phrase clear?
Yes.
Ali?
Yeah.
Ravi, what I'm telling. Otherwise,
Yeah.
we'll do the entire configuration of this I'm telling. Then we'll do the testing.
Okay.
So what I am trying to do is I'm trying to configure payable, test the payable at this level. Receivable, test at this level.
Okay.
Otherwise, we'll do the entire lot configuration. Then we'll do the testing, whatever way you say.
No, that's not the right way.
Okay, learning you have to do it, but once you go for an implementation, entire configuration will be done. SD guy will do, MM guy will do, FI guy will do, everybody will do. Then we start the testing. Right, Ravi?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, I agree with that. But we are looking when you give the scenarios and for AP and AR, we think if we need some more examples or some more practice kind of thing. As we are not having the practice, so we are feeling that insecure feeling we are getting. That's it, I think.
No man, this vendor and receivables. I have done it at an FI level.
Okay.
Okay. Everywhere if you see, whenever I am doing whether payables or receivable, again I am coming back to the GL.
Right.
Yes.
That's what I agree.
Everywhere. Now whenever I do payables and receivable going forward, even in the asset accounting, I'll purchase something, payable will hit again. Again I'll sell my asset, again receivable will hit. So all the scenarios depending on that requirement, once we move forward, it keeps on coming.
Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Kadir,
Yeah.
before can you please make me an organizer? I cannot record it.
Yeah. Any questions further?
As of now, you have given very clear-cut answers.
Yeah. Okay.
No, that's fine. Still a long way to go, man.
Scared, Kadir, we are scared.
You're not just scared. We'll see later because it just started, man. This is nothing.
But that scary thing, we don't know what we are speaking. Maybe eventually we will.
You just see what will happen when you move forward. It's just a start.
Kadir, please don't scare us more, okay? We'll be good to you.
Okay. So once you move forward,
We want to be with you.
no, not this one. Yeah, there is one. Okay. Now come back to the discount part. I was talking discount raising at the time of invoicing. Why do I need to raise it? Okay. Always we have seen discount only at the time of the payment, right?
Right.
Okay, let's see what is the need of it. Why it does need to calculate discount at the time of invoicing.
Okay.
So what I will do is let me configure and then you tell me what is the output of this. Accounts payable, transaction, invoice. Okay. I am creating one clearing GL. Okay. SW01. Let's say I'll create it somewhere. Create clearing BISCO discount clearing. Hello.
Yeah.
I'm just creating one discount clearing. Okay. And one more I will create where it records my discount loss or gain. 1 second. Outgoing payment. Okay. So let me create this also same. Discount loss. Okay. Now I have created one discount clearing and one discount
Loss.
loss.
Okay.
Okay. Now my requirement is when I'm raising my invoice, it should calculate discount. Okay. What discount it should calculate? Whatever the maximum discount I get. Clear or not clear this part, Ravi? Ali?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
In our case, maximum is how much? 10%, right?
10%.
Mm-hmm.
What do you have configured? Okay. Hey, 1 second. Neighbor starts a generator. Okay. 10%. So suppose if I've raised 1000 invoice, so what is the maximum discount? Hello?
100.
1,000.
100.
Okay.
100 is a discount, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm making a payment. So as per that payment terms, 1 to 10, 10%, 1 to 20, 11 to 20, 5%. Remember? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
So suppose I have made the payment on the 11th day or a 12th day or a 15th day. How much discount am I losing?
5%.
5%.
5%. So that loss account should reflect the 5% loss.
Okay.
So how much is it? 50 rupees loss.
Okay.
This is my requirement. Okay, I've done this configuration once for a lady where she wanted to track the loss that she is getting if she is not making payment to the vendor on time. Okay, payment to the vendors on time if she is not making. So when she is not making payment on time, so that she can go back and look into it, okay, this is the loss I made, so that she'll go ahead and inquire why was the payment not done to the vendors on time. Clear?
Clear.
This way she can keep a record on that. So this is my requirement. So let's set up this now. So define account for lost cash discount. So first I'll set up that clearing account. The clearing account I'll give you because I need a clearing account, okay, to capture that entire discount. So this clearing accounts functionality always it should clear by itself. Hello?
Mm-hmm.
You know, right? Clearing accounts.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cash discount clearing. Save it. SKV transaction key. Note it down. SKV. SKE you have seen. SKT you have seen.
Yes.
Next. Define accounts for lost cash discount. Continue. Save it. 400020 VSK. Save it. Back. Now this method is also called as, this entire method whatever you call as net procedure. Okay. Now One minor change that is required is in the document type you need to select as net procedure over there. So what is the document procedure for us now? KR, right? Vendor invoice?
Vendor, yeah.
So suppose if I go back like this, IMG, sorry, I'll go directly from here. OBA7. Who is this 50204? Who is this? Anyone from your end?
Not me.
Not me also.
Okay, let me show you till then. Here, KR. Can you see your net document type? Sorry. This one you need to select.
Okay.
Okay? Net document type. But do you think every vendor we will having a discount? For every vendor this kind of a procedure is required? Not necessary, right?
Not necessary. Yeah.
So what we will do is usually there is a separate document type available for this net document type. So we will use that. Here, can you see KN?
Net vendors.
Net vendors. Okay.
We'll use this for them. To record such kind of vendors. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll raise an invoice over here, F-43. Okay, 01/01/2014. Thousand payment terms SW01 picked up automatically from where?
Discount.
Huh? From where? Hello?
Maintenance.
Can you hear me?
OBB8.
From where this payment terms got picked up, man?
From vendor side.
Vendor master.
Vendor master side.
Oh, what should be my document type, Ali, over here now?
KN.
Hmm.
Sorry.
KR, right?
KR or KN?
Yeah,
Swapna?
net vendor. Yeah.
KN,
Okay.
huh?
Yes.
Oh, this is for different vendors.
Not different vendors. That document type we discussed just now, right?
Yeah, that's
OBS
what.
1000 40 so it should calculate my maximum discount, right? Right? Document simulate. See?
Yeah.
100.
Maximum
Yeah.
discount, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So what is the clearing account over here? Debit. Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
It is just holding over there saying that this is the maximum discount you will get. Okay. So what did I say? The clearing account should get cleared by itself. So it is debit. Note it down. Debit, discount clearing. Debit. It's a debit now. I'm saving it. Now I'll try to make a payment. So what I'll do is I'll try to make a payment on 15th. Amount 950, right?
Right.
Right.
So it is invalidated. What, they changed it or what? Oh, sorry. Let me check. Somebody changed it. They changed it to MMDDYY. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
0
Format also they changed it. Correct.
Good cousin. Yeah.
50.
Now simulate. See. First watch discount clearing. What it is doing? Clearing, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Swapna. Earlier it was.
Debit.
Now it is
Credit.
nullified.
Yes.
Loss.
50. Yeah, 5%.
50.
How much?
1000.
1000. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is the scenario. You're just tracking over here. Okay. But you're paying 950 only after getting the 50 rupees only. Okay. Don't think you're not getting discount over here. You're getting whatever the discount you have to get.
But you're still in loss because you didn't pay it on time.
So what that lady will do is she'll verify this discount loss. Okay. So that discount loss end of the month will accumulate, right? When they are making the payment.
Right.
Yes.
When they accumulate, then she'll call individually and then I'll ask whoever has posted this invoice, why it is not paid and all this stuff.
Right.
Okay. Next. So what I'll do is now, one more I have forgot actually in the GL side.
Kadir, I want to ask one question.
Hmm.
See, when I wanted to buy $1,000 product, do my company allot me $1,000 or it will look for, okay, now I'm getting $900 based on the discount. It will give $900. What it gives me? In the sense,
No.
the department, let us say that in...
Your voice is going up and down your voice. Are you getting this, Swapna, what he says? Ali, anyone? What he asked?
Yeah, actually, he is asking for, means if the company is allotting only $1,000 and he has to purchase, he is not,
Let me say once again.
Okay.
Okay.
If MM has to purchase something like mine is a hospital company, and let's say that they are buying an equipment, medical equipment, and it is $1,000. And if I pay on the month and first day of the month, I get a 10% discount according to our scenario. So I'll pay $900. Do my company give capital budget as $1,000 to me, or they give $900 and just for tracking only they use this discount amount as the discount clearing account?
The company gives you $1,000 to purchase.
Yeah.
But the costing is only $900, you're saying, right? Because of the discount of 10%.
Yeah. And what happens to that $100? Will it stay with a MM department, or it will directly actually it will not?
No, brother. Whatever payment, the company will not give you in advance $1,000 or something. Whatever payment you have done, you will do the payment and return the remaining amount. Hello.
Okay.
Now, for example, when the invoice is raised for 1,000, once we were making a payment, how much we were making a payment when we are receiving 10% discount? 900, right?
Right.
Okay, but you hold 1,000 rupees in your pocket because the company gave you 1,000. You will keep $100 for yourself. Huh?
I'm not saying that I'll keep it. What I'm saying is that this $100 will be actually I was budgeted for $100,000, but the product is $900. But $100 is again a benefit to, means it's a profit to our company back. Why? Because we expected this, but actual was very less, and we are gaining, right, company?
Budget is what kind of a nature? Budget is statistical.
Okay.
Right. Budget doesn't get recorded anywhere in your GL account. Right, Swapna?
Right.
Right.
Okay. The budget is 1,000, you say. Okay.
Right.
So your budget is 1,000 means you are saving 100 over here. So it remains in the budget, whatever you are saying. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that we will see somewhere over here, I think. Here. Budgeting.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. Good. Okay.
It's a long way.
No. I just thought,
Okay.
what happened to that $100? Will it stay with the MM or it?
No, you should ask, man. If you do not ask, it remains in your head, then you feel sorry for that. You should ask whatever it might be. Okay. Now I have a situation where I pay my salary every month first. So let's say, suppose I want to pay my salary, this is what? April. So let's take every month first I pay the salary. Okay. First we pay the salary, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But if you want to pay every month first means you have to make a entry on the last day of the month, right? So that it can be given on the
30 or
first, right?
31st.
30 or 31st, last day.
Mm-hmm.
Ravi?
Of previous month.
Yeah.
Previous month. Let me put that also. You're correct. Previous month. Okay. Now let's say, for example, on January 31st, what is the entry I'll make? What is the entry should I
Salary
make?
account.
Salary account.
Data to cash account. Salaries to salary. This is
Provisional
employees.
entry you will make.
Okay.
You will make a provisional entry. You're not paying. Are you paying on 31st?
No.
You're
It's
not
salary
making
to
salaries. You make a provisional entry, paying
It's
in
a-
advance.
outstanding, right?
Yeah, you call outstanding. Okay. Outstanding. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear entry.
Yeah.
Then on the 1st of February, what do? We reverse this.
Yes.
Outstanding to
Salary outstanding to,
Salary.
sorry. Outstanding. This high-tech gadgets is very difficult one. Why he changed it, I don't know. To salary. Okay. Salary is outstanding to salary. I reversed it. Then I need to provide a correct entry, right? What you are saying?
yeah
Salary-
payment,
salary.
right? Salary paid.
Salary to bank. Hello?
So
Yeah.
it has to be salary paid, right?
No. Which one? This is getting nullified now.
The
I need to
last.
post the correct entry, right? This is gone.
The last one I'm talking about, salary to bank.
Yeah, it's an expense, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
normal
if-
entry. What you said, salaries to bank. That's it.
We shouldn't mention salaries paid.
Oh, whatever it is, you mention it. No text you are saying. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Okay. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What do we call this?
Expense.
Accrual? Accrual? Deferral.
Deferral.
Right. Right, Ali?
Yeah. that's-
Remember? So let's do this now. Hey, Ravi, you are clear with that?
Yeah.
Ah.
That's clear.
So first we need to create one GLs one. FS00 1000025 create liability balance sheet Salaries payable. Or let me put as outstanding only. She's asking to give this as outstanding. This narration you can write whatever you feel like. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Salaries account we have, right? Or we need to create. Okay, we have.
I think you already created it.
Yeah, it's there, no? You just seen it.
Mm-hmm.
Periodic processing. One second. FBS1. Okay. First. So what did we say? We said the date is 31st. Okay. You change it. 01, 31. Right?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, they changed it, man. So don't get confused with the dates. I think US you
Yeah.
follow these DDYY. Yeah. Here. So we are doing what? Accruals, right? Here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What will be my reversing date? 01, 0,
01.
02, 01, 2014. Right?
Yeah.
40 salaries.
What is the reversing reason?
Reversal reason, you need to remember when we are doing reversing, we gave a reason, right? Current period.
Yeah. But I'm
Now
just,
this is I'm doing it for accrual. No? This whatever get that what we are reversing is for accruals.
okay, is it a default one or you have selected the
No,
05?
default one. I picked up a default one here.
Okay.
05.
Okay.
Enter. 1000. So we said 31st 01 2014. And it is 50 000 25.
Yeah.
This will trouble me, man. Somebody change.
It will trouble you again.
Oh,
Not accustomed to this. No?
I think we can change it, right?
Yeah, but somebody who's practicing might be familiar with this, so they set it up this. Okay, I'll save it.
but this is individual profiles can be changed only, no?
Yeah, but the user ID I might have given to someone. I don't know who might have given it. So I don't know, somebody might be using it. I'll save it. Okay.
Okay.
Done. Back. F.81.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. FB03. Check the document. Correct now document? Hello?
Yeah.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's this now? 33. 2014. What if I don't give the dates? Let's see what date it picks. Okay. I'm not giving any date. Hello?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Let's see. It's in test run. Okay. It's in test run. So when it's doing, correct, reversal date by itself,
Yeah, first of the next month.
First.
says till next month. Either you can click here on the document to see the document to verify whether you're doing a right reversal or no. This one. Once you are confident, either you click on the reverse document or uncheck the test run over here. Uncheck the test run, execute. Getting my point? Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Or either you can click it over here, directly over here. So if you click over here, you automatically will get the reverse document here. See, I'll click over here. Got reverse document with 34?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now let's verify the 34 document. Clear?
Okay.
Hello. See the minus sign?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gone up. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the accrual and deferral part. Okay. Next. I'm raising a vendor invoice. Say purchases to vendor, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say 1,000. I want to return this goods.
Okay.
Let's say around 200 I want to return. Okay. So what is the entry when we are returning it? Vendor is receiving, right?
Yeah. Goods
Okay.
received.
No. Come back. Don't go till there. Okay. I'm doing it at this level only. Whatever the returns I'm doing. Okay. This is a credit memo from from vendor side or a debit memo from our side. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me run it and then I'll show you. Hold on. Simple. It's a credit memo F-41.
Okay.
Okay. F2 C21. So vendor is receiving. So 21 is your vendor debit.
Debit. Yeah.
Enter. So first we'll raise one invoice, then we'll do this. Okay, then you get a clarity.
Okay.
We'll return it on the same invoice. $1,000. I don't want any discount. So I'm overwriting. See, this is a standard. No discount means. Okay, immediate payment.
Mm-hmm.
Enter. I'll save it. Okay, Ravi, clear till here? I just raised the vendor invoice. Ali?
Yeah, that is okay.
Okay. /n F-41. So what was that invoice number?
30.
3003. 3003.
3,000.
Here there is the invoice number. Go here, pick up the vendor, enter 1,000. Can you see your invoice reference?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And click here.
3,003.
That purchases whatever it is was there, right? That 40 will change into 50. It has to reduce from that account, right? What I've done. Hello?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how much we said we will reduce how much? Around 500 rupees. Fine. Return goods worth of 500.
500.
So for the 1,000. Enter. Correct entry?
Right.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, so this is very important, what I selected over here. 1 second. Based on the invoice, this invoice,
Right.
okay, 1000. So I'll save it. So how much we need to make payment now?
500 more.
500 less, right?
500. No, I need to make 500, right?
Right.
See here now. Correct, see? 1500, amount entered is how much? 500. See, it is getting adjusted.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm making only 500 out of the payment. Save it. Correct? Create memos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Same thing apply for the customer side also. Okay. Slash n f-22. Clear everyone with that scenario?
Yes.
Ali?
Yeah.
Ravi?
That
Same
I
thing.
have for a accrual kind of part. I just want to ask one question. Yeah, on January 31st, we are sending salary to salary outstanding account, and from February 1st, salary outstanding to salary we are sending, right? Why do I need this scenario? Why if can't I pay directly on salary to bank? Why do I go with this accrual procedure? Why is it needed? Why? Because if I can do with one transaction salary paid to bank, why?
You are
Why
correct.
should
I will enter directly over here, you are saying, right?
Not there. On 31st, not. I'm saying that if the guy can't do on first, he can schedule it or something. He can do that salary paid to bank on February 1st. Why he has to post to outstanding and then to outstanding to salary, like a accrual part? Why he has to do that?
You are thinking only from your salary perspective. Only one salary you are thinking. There will be hundreds of salaries that need to be paid. Okay, there is a lengthy procedure that is required. So when it is required, you have to do it on 31st so that in the midnight of the 1st of February, he'll receive it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Right. So if it is your salary, it is only one salary. Okay, fine. You come back in the 1st February, you enter like the salary to bank and you will get your salary, Ravi.
Oh, it has to be done by 9 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, that it has to hit everybody.
We do month-end closings, no brother. If you do month-end closings, it's gone then.
Right.
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 So we are doing provision.
The reason why we are doing this accrual deferral is because you need to pay it on the 1st February. You will not have time. Okay.
Right.
If it is workable, then put like this, salaries to bank then directly. If you think you are able to do it, this is just a scenario where we are trying to pull in this way. Swapna,
Yeah. Correct.
clear or not about this? I think you've seen it in the accounts, right?
Yes, it is. But what technology has increased so much, right? So what Ravi was asking also, I mean,
As you have a script there, right? Like you have set some assignment.
we do
like
everything on so and so date. We set up a lot of things as automated payments. Okay, and why can't we set this up as an automatic payment rather than entering on 31st and then going back to 1st?
So scenario that way. If somebody has come up with a requirement like this, we do it somehow. Okay.
Okay, this is just a scenario explaining.
Yeah. No, somebody might be having this requirement. Okay. They do it that way. Because for example, let's say HR will be not done in SAP. They have a different PeopleSoft where that they need to generate the slips, salary slips and all those things that need to be generated. It takes time for them. So do it, all those things, they do it on 31st and the first they'll issue the payment. Everybody has their own way of doing it. Somebody pays on 5th, somebody pays it on 7th, somebody pays it on 10th. right?
But not all of them has the same thing. I mean, like everyone has their way of making the payment to employees or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is what we call as an accrual deferral. Okay.
Okay. Ravi, it's just an example. Like, I hope you understand.
Seeing what he's saying will be where the scenario will be coming out. That's it. If there is a salary, we can schedule it. Why can't we do that? He has given the answer for that.
Okay.
Simulate that accrual deferral also. You can schedule a background job. You don't need to enter it. It will happen automatic.
Okay.
Okay, done. I'm just raising on invoice. Number is so and so, 6003. It was payables, now it is receivables. Either use FB75 or F-27. Customer, earlier it was credit, now this is debit. Enter, let's say 200. Return to the customer, so received in the sales account, right? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
See, document, simulate. Here we need to enter the invoice reference.
Invoice.
Don't enter. Back, reset it. $6,003. This is the one. So against this invoice, there is a return of this. Save it. Okay, and also document type is here, see DG.
DG.
That was
Customer. This
customer, and it was KG for that.
vendor it was. So wherever it is K, it is vendor. Wherever it's D, it's customer.
Yeah, that I told you at the time of account type. Remember over here.
Yeah,
I think you wrote it also on that.
I wrote
Here.
it. Yes, I think so.
Here. Here.
Here you, yes.
Account types. Okay. Making a payment. So how much we need to make now?
800.
800. Correct? Right?
Yeah.
Unified against these two. Save it. Done. So this is about your debit memos and credit memos. Credit memos. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I'll do tomorrow is we will do installments. Okay. And
Okay.
dunning. Dunning also will do.
Okay.
Okay. So still this AR and AP will keep on going. Then interest calculations are there. Taxation is there. Banking is there for this AR AP. Keeps on coming till your asset accounting.
Okay.
Alright. So it keeps on coming this one. Because you pay output taxes, input taxes, right? Am I right? Input tax, output tax.
Output tax. Yep.
Input tax belongs to whom?
For the company.
No.
Tax,
We
to
pass
the
to whom?
government.
What?
Vendor, payable. Output tax,
Okay.
customers, receivables.
That's what I meant. I mean,
Okay.
but I put it in a wrong way.
Okay. 1 second.
I like the class today.
Yeah. Today class is good. That is true.
Okay. All right. See you then tomorrow.
All right,
Okay.
Khalid. So tomorrow you're going to explain. You're going to discuss installments and dunning, right? Okay. All right.
All right.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye guys.